Ever spent hours installing tile, only to ruin a piece with one bad cut? Yeah, that's exactly why a good tile saw matters. Because whether you're remodeling a bathroom, upgrading a kitchen, or working on a full job site, clean cuts are everything. They decide whether your project looks professional or completely rushed. So today, we're counting down the top 5 best tile saws you can buy right now. From beginner-friendly DIY tools to serious contractor-grade machines. And trust me, number 1 is an absolute beast. As always, all product links are waiting in the description below. Now let's jump in, starting at number 5, the SKIL 7-inch wet tile saw. If you're new to tile work, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. No stress, no complexity, just plug in and cut. The SKIL wet saw is compact, lightweight, and very beginner-friendly. But don't let the size fool you. It still handles ceramic and porcelain tile surprisingly well. Cuts are clean, consistent, and controlled. You also get an adjustable rip fence and miter guide, which helps keep your lines straight even if you're not experienced. The sliding side extension is another nice touch. It gives extra support for larger tiles, which you usually don't see at this price. And the water cooling system helps reduce dust while keeping the blade running cooler. For small home projects, backsplashes, or bathroom upgrades, this is a strong entry-level choice. At number 4, the Porter Cable, PCE 980. This one is all about balance, portability, without losing precision. The first thing you notice is the compact tabletop design. It's easy to carry, easy to store, easy to set up, but once it's running, it actually performs really well. One standout feature is the splash guard system. It does a better job than most budget saws at controlling water mess, which makes long sessions a lot cleaner. The stainless steel deck also helps tiles slide smoothly during cuts, and despite the smaller footprint, it still handles larger tiles thanks to the sliding tray design. So if you're a DIY renovator, or someone who only tiles occasionally, this hits a really smart middle ground between performance and convenience. Number 3, the RIDGID 7-inch tabletop wet tile saw. RIDGID has a reputation for durability, and this saw proves why. The first thing you feel is stability. Everything is solid, heavy-duty, built to last. The motor delivers strong, consistent cutting power through ceramic and porcelain, without slowing down under pressure. The sliding table system also keeps cuts smooth and controlled, which really matters when precision starts to count. What's impressive here is balance. It's powerful enough for serious renovation work, but still compact enough for home garages and DIY setups. Water containment is also well designed, so cleanup doesn't turn into a nightmare afterward. If you want something reliable that can handle frequent use, this is a very safe pick. At number 2, the DeWALT D24000S wet tile saw. Now we're getting into PRO territory. This is a job site favorite for a reason. The DeWALT D24000S delivers serious cutting power, paired with extremely precise control. It handles large format tiles with ease, plus thick materials and angled cuts without hesitation. And that oversized cutting capacity is a huge advantage. Floors, walls, full renovations. This saw feels ready for all of it. But what really stands out is smoothness. Cuts feel clean, controlled, and extremely accurate, even on demanding jobs. The rolling stand also makes transport easier than expected for a professional saw, and the water system helps keep the workspace manageable. If you're a contractor or serious DIY builder, this is one of the most trusted tile saws you can own. But taking the number 1 spot, the Milwaukee M18 fuel tile saw. This thing feels like the future of tile cutting. Why? It's cordless, and that changes everything. No extension cords, no searching for outlets, no cable management on job sites. Just grab it and go. And somehow, even being battery-powered, it still delivers serious cutting strength. The brushless motor feels powerful and efficient, And the sliding table keeps everything precise and stable during cuts. It also handles large tiles surprisingly well for a portable design. But what really makes it special is convenience. Setup is faster, transport is easier, workflow is smoother. Everything just feels more modern. Yes, it's expensive, but if you want professional performance plus ultimate portability, this is easily the top-tier choice. So, which tile saw would you use on your next project? The beginner-friendly SKIL, the balanced RIDGID or Porter cable, or the cordless Milwaukee Beast? Drop your pick in the comments below, and remember, all product links are waiting in the description if you want full specs and pricing. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more tool and tech review, and I'll see you in the next one.